So here you have to activate the data store object once you finish with the modeling.
Shahid, let me ask you a question. How did the info objects populate
Yeah,
again? Because we had to create 4 manually, right?
yeah. We have created four manual info objects.
Uh-huh.
So generally, info objects are in BW. We have created info objects in BW, and we are giving it connecting them to the ECC fields, right? So the
Okay,
fields
so
which are
that's how
coming
come
from
they
ECC and those
mhm. They populated
they
for
will
us,
populate.
right?
They will get populated because we have a requirement. Yeah, we have a requirement that we have the data already for the fields, and we have to accommodate the data in BW system, and we don't have info objects for that. So we have created info objects, and we are mapping the those info objects to the fields in transformation. We will see it now. And once you map the fields and once you load the data, the load data which is already available, we have seen that in 21,400, 21,200 records which are available in ECC site, they will get populated in BI set. So here we have created a data store object, and now you have to right click on the data store object, create transformation, and use the data source as a source. And here first select the source system. Source system is T9 client, and here one underscore CD. This is our data source. So continue with this. The data source does not exist. So in this case, we have to make it activated. Here we have application component profitability analysis. You have to see, look for the data source. Here, this is the data source, and it is in active stage. It is in modified version. So I guess we have replicated, but we are going to replicate it again. Right click on the data source, replicate metadata to replicate the data source, and then you have to, first of all, you won't find the data source. You have to go to the application component, right click and replicate metadata. In that case, all the newly created data source will be available. Then you have to go to the data source and replicate it. Once the replication is done, replication completely successful. Here you can see the message. So once it is done, you have to double click on the data source. Just click on the pencil button. It is the change. So once you click on the pencil button, it will be in the change mode. So here we will activate it again so that you can see the version is in process. Now it will write the active version to the modified version. So data source is activated now. When you go back, you can see you have to refresh. So you can see that it is activated. So once it is activated, you have to go to info provider, and now you can create transformation. So target as ZCVRDT and source as data source. Now give your data source name. So here it is, and the source system name. Proposals are not generated because SAP is not going to generate proposals unless it is sure about it. So this is the custom data source. So we have to generate our own proposals. So let's map the fields here manually. Here you got fiscal year to fiscal year. Automatic is not possible. Okay, and you got valuation to zero valuation, fiscal variant to fiscal variant, fiscal period to fiscal period, value type to value type, and record type, transaction type. I guess hopefully it is a record type here. So version to version, company code to company code. Here company code is a key field. So business area, billing type to billing type, business area to business area, controlling area, there is a key field, country, plant, key field, profit center, another key field, sales group, sales group. Mm, okay, sales order, sales group, guess it is not available. Here it is, sales group. Another one is sales order. WPS number, WPS element is here. The order number is here. Order number, cost element, and chart of accounts. Hmm. Hmm. The revenue there, the sales unit. There's another revenue. There are two revenues. Now this is gross weight. Let's see first of all map because we have mapped revenue to revenue somehow. So let's go ahead with the other ones. The gross weight. Uh, Here let's see with gross weight. Sales unit revenue. Gross weight. So let's give currency, got currency here to currency field here. There has to be some currency field. This is a unit. Here is a currency field. So we give the currency field to the currency and another field called billing date. We have to see where is billing date. Billing document date. Yeah. Here is the billing document date and you got posting date. Gross weight. Okay. Let's see. Unchanged gross weight. Where is gross weight? Underscore. The research and development. Here we got a fee for this. And VB 910, right? VB 910 is there. The travel costs. So unit. This field is left sales order. And there is no field passing units. Okay. So generally, okay, we can